guys, I'm Olivia and you're watching my channel LivsCrafts. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make a recycling project, which is kind of fun because I feel like right now everybody has some sort of can or I feel like everybody has some sort of can in their house right now. So please don't mind that these are like, alcoholic beverages. I just kind of stole them, but these are the only cans that I have because my family does not drink soda, so this is like the only cans that I have. Don't worry, I'm gonna spray paint them, but if you guys don't want to spray paint yours, it's totally fine. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make DIY planters out of cans. And yeah, I think it's gonna be so cute and so fun. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So of course the first thing that you want to do is pick out the cans that you want to use for this project. And then as I am picking out my cans, I am spray painting them. You of course do not have to spray paint them at all. I just thought that it would be a good kind of coat for me to paint on later, and so that you guys didn't have to see, kind of what beverages they were type of thing through the whole video. But I did realize that there were some kind of pretty patterns on the cans, so if at any point you guys did spray paint your cans and you wanted to save some of the design that was on the can, I would think that would be like super cool to do. And then from there I am I'm creating an outline of where I'm going to cut the can, so I'm just kind of making black dots and lines to kind of figure out where I'm going to cut the can. I do recommend this can. I kind of did more I don't know how to explain it, like long ways. I did more like ovally. You'll kind of see I cut more of the can. And the other can I did an outline where it was more round, and I do recommend doing the one that is more round because I think that it will hold the plant a lot better, especially if you're getting like a succulent and you need to put some dirt in the can. So I do recommend that. And then from there I'm using a blade. You can use like an X-Acto knife, and I'm cutting a little bit of the can open with that so that I can go in with my scissors, and then I'm using my scissors to snip around the rest of the can, which is actually quite easy. I didn't expect the scissors to work using the can, like on the can, so it worked a lot better actually than the knife would have, and it created a lot cleaner of a cut. So you'll see that after I do this one, I kind of just took the blade and I did like one swipe to poke into the can. This is the round one that I'm talking about, but I did one swipe with the blade into the can, and then the rest I did the scissors. You can see it creates a cleaner cut. And definitely do the can that was on the left. Still going to be on the left because it creates a little bit rounder, and I think it's a little bit better for a plant to be in. And then from there I'm decorating the cans, and yeah, you can pretty much decorate the cans however you would like. I am not one to judge, so I am just kind of painting the whole can purple, and I'm not worrying about doing another coat. Because from there I'm just doing like paint swipes where I'm just kind of brushing the paint onto the can, and it looks kind of super cool. So you can feel free to copy me if you want. It's really cool. So yeah, but you can decorate the can however you would like. So after you've completed painting the can, you're going to see I'm taking some string, and this is so that it can hang. So I'm taking some string and I'm putting it up through the hole there, and then I'm also putting it through the little tab on top. It's okay if your cans don't have the tabs, it's just I like to put the string through the tab because it keeps the string in one place around the bottle, so it's not going to move. You know, when you go through like the bigger hole that we cut into the can, that part of the string will not move so much. It'll kind of stay where it's meant to be in one place. So you can see I'm slip knotting the bottom, which is just creating a loop, and then pulling the tail of the yarn through the loop. And then from there, I am also slip knotting the top of the yarn so that we can hang it up. So again, just creating the loop, putting the tails through the loop, and pulling. And of course, if you have ends that are uneven and it bothers you, you can always cut them off. But from there, after you're done with that, you can put a plant in your holder and you can hang it up and you're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if they're enabled. I know last week, the comments were there. So make sure to comment down below what kind of videos you would like to see next, or if you have any suggestions for me. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new, because I know a lot of my viewers that watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you find yourself back on my channel, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.